All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So, as fit as a fiddle. Yes, let's get some pictures. As fit. Yeah, that one then. Okay, as fit. Very good. As fit as a fiddle. Let's have a look. Maybe not. Or violin. Okay, right. Here we are. As fit as a fiddle. There we are. Perfect. As fit as a fiddle. Yeah. To be very healthy. Yeah. To be healthy. Yes. So to be very healthy. Yeah. Since I have been going to the gym, I'm as fit as a fiddle. Fit as a fiddle. Yeah. She is as fit as a fiddle because she runs and exercises a lot. A lot. Yeah. How cool is that? By following this diet, you will be as fit as a fiddle. Yeah. How cool is that? So I'm as fit as a fiddle since I started the diet. Yeah. How cool is that? He's as fit as a fiddle by going to the gym. Yeah. We should start going biking. Then we can be as fit as a fiddle. Yeah. As fit as a fiddle. Very important. Yeah, well, okay. I'm eating a lot of fruit and vegetables. Yeah. As well as going to the gym. Monday to Friday. I'm as fit as a fiddle, and I will continue like this because there are some mountains and big hills that I want to climb. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Very good. Because he started to care for his health, he is now as fit as a fiddle. Yeah. When you change what you're doing, you'll slowly become fit as a fiddle. Yes. Very important. Yeah, how cool is that? Very good. Yeah. Yeah. So in life you need, or you need, want, really should, you ought to be fit as a fiddle because you can't really enjoy life if you're unhealthy. If you're unhealthy, yeah. You can't enjoy wealth if you've got no health, and you can't enjoy your health if you've got no wealth. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so as fit as a fiddle. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use as fit as a fiddle in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you search for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.